Ladies and gentlemen, I'm about to scream. I just dropped that whole box of MIGARDENER seeds on the floor. Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome to my channel and welcome to a summer 2024 annual seed haul video. Ladies and gentlemen, if I could take this phone off of this little stand and show y'all how I dropped all that box of seeds on the floor. You know what? We're going to get through this video. But that is, what, 223? That's about 275 packs of seeds I done dropped on the floor. And y'all know they didn't fall in alphabetical order. I am continuing with my summer 2024 seed haul video. So far in this series, I have done 2 Etsy seed haul videos. I have done an MIGARDENER live stream, which I unboxed over 200 packs of seeds. I did order number 2 of the MIGARDENER seed haul, and now I'm doing order number 3. Before we get into this video, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notifications bell. Make sure it's set to all. Like, comment, and share with everyone you know. Now, let's see order number 3. We're just going to roll right into it, y'all. This is order number 3. I marked them just so I could keep track. This is the MIGARDENER haul. I made 4 orders during the annual sale, where this year it was 40% off of the seeds as the company prepares for the next season of seeds 2025. This is what we have inside the pack. I don't remember how many seeds. This might be 40 something or almost 50. Let me see, y'all. Let's see. It doesn't really give a count. But this one is like 2 full pages. Y'all remember the last one was about 1.5 pages. This is 2 full pages. So this is just a little bit more. It says that this was joyfully packed by Eva at MIGARDENER. Thank you, Eva. I appreciate it. And I placed this order on August 14th. I think I mentioned in the last video the dates that I had for the previous order. Basically what I did was I went on my wish list. And yes, I had probably close to 400 seeds on my wish list from MIGARDENER to get during the annual sale. 40% off this year, 50% off previous years. But now, I think until the 15th, the website said, the seeds that they have remaining are 50% off. And I promised myself not to go back to the site, because I know if I find some seeds that are on my my wish list that came back in stock, y'all, I'm going to buy them. I'm going to buy them, but look, at this point, I think I'm going to just wait. Y'all, I'm so burnt up that them seeds is on the floor. I'm looking right at them, trying not to look at them, but seeing them spilled all over the floor. These are the seeds. We are going to go through them. I'm not even going to try to put them in order. I am going to stack them so they all the same way so I can actually read them. I got a MIGARDENER heirloom seeds and fertilizer. This is like a business card. And I did get this also in the previous order that I did. But I don't think I got one of these in the large haul, which was the live stream. So, let me just kind of put this to the side. Y'all, give me a moment just to at least arrange them to where I can read all of the seed packs, and I'll be right back. Y'all know I put all of them in alphabetical order. All right, let's get started. So, I got 6 stacks. Some of them have more seeds than the other. I just kind of put them in 6 stacks. So the first thing I got was UC 157 asparagus. And y'all, I did not get this last time. I either got this. No, I got the Mary Washington. So UC 157, it says this beloved asparagus is sought after worldwide. It is a reliable grower known as a classic asparagus for its perfect length, size, and green color. Best to grow by the coast or in milder climate areas. That's why I probably got this. Then I have lemon basil, and this is one of the basils that I was missing on a previous order. It went out of stock, came back in stock, so I got it. I should have bought two, but let me see. 250 seeds, no, I'm good with one. Then I have red Reuben. And y'all, I'm sorry for the lighting. I'm working with natural lighting, so hopefully this is bright enough. I might just have the brightness on my phone down, so the brightness might be good. I have purple sprouting broccoli. I've been wanting this. I've been wanting to get this for a while. I have 200 seeds, and that's enough for me to practice, get it down pat, and then start saving my own seeds. I know these birds ain't coming by this window making all this noise, and I'm trying to record my video. The next stack, I have red acre cabbage. And y'all, I think I did. I think I got red acre cabbage in a previous video, but I got it again. I have self-blanching cauliflower. I love cauliflower, so I'm definitely going to be sowing that. Y'all, I'm going to be sowing all these seeds eventually. All of them. I have double red sweet corn. This is an Oregon heirloom that is absolutely packed with antioxidants. Sweet and delicious. So I have 20. So this will be one that I will circle to count, because if you remember in my previous videos, I said any pack of seeds that I have 20 or less, I always circle the seed count, and then of course I write the year on the front of the packet. The year just helps me to know the year of the seeds, and then I circle the 20 or below just to remind me that I only have a certain amount of seeds to get it right. The bed alpha cucumber, I heard a lot of gardeners, a lot of gardening channels talk about this specific variety of cucumber, so I was glad I was able to pick that up. That's 30 seeds. And then a little potato cucumber, had a few people talking about that too. Only 10 seeds, so I gotta be careful with that. And then I got some cumin. I thought I got cumin before, maybe a different variety of cumin, but 1,000 seeds. Then I got the black magic kale. I believe in the previous order I had the dinosaur kale. Lemon balm. And y'all, my lemon balm is so dead out there. I have 300 seeds in this pack. Y'all, my lemon balm, it died and it never came back. But the remnants of death is still there, y'all. I need to just replace the whole pot, because I had that in those plastic pitchers, and y'all, the heat and the weather and the elements, if I try to pick that picture up, the whole thing gonna crack. So I just need a new container, sow some lemon balm seeds, and just let it go. But definitely, most of my herbs, I plant them in containers, because I do not want them to spread all over everywhere. So containers for my herbs. Then I have a few lettuce varieties. I have the Bib Butterhead lettuce, the Little Gem Butterhead lettuce. Y'all, in the way I'm putting this, y'all know I got a crop and zoom, so I hope all the packet, the pictures and stuff, the name of it is getting within the crop and zoom. Prize head leaf lettuce. I like this. Look how pretty that is. I like that. Marshmallow. Now, marshmallow did come with my survival garden seeds. I believe they did the medicinal herb. I think marshmallow came with that, but I got another pack just in case. This is 50 seeds. I hope I got another pack in the last order, in the fourth order. But if not, you know, I'm gonna hold this down till next year. The next stack, let's see, this is a bunch of peppers. I have the California Wonder Bell pepper, and I think I do have this variety from the Dollar Tree and from one of my Etsy orders. But I could never have enough bell peppers. I could never have enough bell peppers. I could never have enough tomatoes. I could never have enough spinach and leafy green. Y'all look, I could never have enough seeds. I have the orange cayenne pepper. And then I also got the purple cayenne pepper. Again, y'all, just a variety with the colors, the antioxidants, the nutrients. I'm just trying to have a variety. Then I got the Keystone Resistant Giant Bell. Now, I grew these earlier this year, and the peppers weren't the largest that they could have been, but they were all good peppers. I cooked them, cut them up and put them in my red beans and rice. I cut them up and put some in my big pot chili. I put some in, what else? Probably my tomato sauce. Yep, good peppers. This is the New Mix Joe Parker pepper. And let me see what this says. It's a great roasting pepper. That's why I got it. These plants produce large harvests of mild, thick-walled fruits that contain few seeds. Once peppers turn from green to red, you will know they are ready to enjoy. So, New Mix Joe Parker. The Tam jalapeno pepper, and I got these because they are hot, but not to the point where you can't taste the food. See, I like spice. I like spice. I like hot. I like pepper, but not to the point where I can't taste the main food unless the pepper is the main food. YOLO Wonder Bell. I have these. Now, let's see. This was designed for New Mexico and its dry, hot climate. And so that's why I got these. Things that are heat tolerant, drought tolerant, just for my area, Southwest California, Southwest United States. Like I need things that are amenable to this climate. Now, I'll buy seeds for any climate anyway. Y'all know I bought stuff that's from zone 1 to 4, and I'm still going to try to grow it out here. It does help when you buy seeds that are either meant for your climate or that you have acclimated to your climate, and then you resow those seeds. We Be Little Pumpkin. And y'all, did I get this last time, or was it a different kind of small pumpkin? Let me see. This says it produces abundant amounts of small 12 to 16 ounce pumpkins. No, I think I got a different kind because it didn't say the size, but this is good. 12 to 16 ounces, little 1 pound pumpkins. This is perfect. This is We Be Little. I think what's the other one? Jack Be Little. And then I got some rosemary. Love rosemary. Will always have it. Gotta have rosemary. The next stack I got looks like a bunch of spinaches. So I have American spinach, and I like, this is like the short round leaf spinach. Butterfly spinach, and you see these leaves are a little bit larger and more pointy. The red Malabar spinach, and I think this is good. It's not a true spinach, but it's heat tolerant, and that's why I got this. So I can have greens in the summer without worrying about the plants bolting. Summer Savory. Summer Savory is a must for people that love to cook or want to add an underused spice to their collection. That's me. Its peppery, tangy flavor will perk up anything from grilled chicken, mushrooms, and much more. And the Rainbow Swiss chard, y'all. So it wasn't enough for me to get every color individually. Then I had to go buy the rainbow pack. So the rainbow pack includes red, yellow, orange, white, and hot pink. Rainbow. Let me get through the last stack of order number 3. And these are a bunch of tomatoes. Not that I didn't already have enough, but now I have even more. This is the Ananas Noir tomato. This Aunt Molly's ground cherry, y'all. I am so just sad and frustrated. I planted this early this year, these seeds from 2023. And I sowed, and a couple of months passed by. I sowed some more, and even a couple of months passed. Maybe not a couple months, but like weeks. Enough weeks. And passed again, and I still not one seed germinated. Not one. And it was the MIGARDENER brand. Not one seed germinated. So I bought another pack for this year for 2024, and we're gonna try it again because I want these Aunt Molly ground cherries. Like, I want them. Now, some people say that this is the same as the pineapple ground cherry. Some people say this is different, but I got to get it to grow before I can find out. The banana legs tomato, and this is a determinate variety. Beefsteak, and I do have this from the Dollar Tree and some other businesses also. And then I got the beefsteak yellow. Y'all remember in the previous one, I think I had the beefsteak red, pink, black. I had other colors, but I didn't have yellow, so I do now. I got 2 packs of the black cherry tomatoes, and again, this is for the antioxidants, just a different color, a different flavor. These are indeterminate tomatoes, an unbelievably sweet tomato with low acidity. Low acidity is gonna be key for me, y'all, eating all these tomatoes. Black Krim tomato. I did not have success with the seeds that I sowed this year, but I think part of it was due to when I sowed these particular seeds, and then when I left and went on my road trip and came back. But I have more seeds to try, and now I have even more. The blueberry tomatoes, I got 2 packs of those, also indeterminate, a dark bicolored purple and red variety with a rich sweet flavor, disease resistant, and can grow up to 6 feet tall. Perfect for fresh eating, salsas, and salads. I'm gonna do all of that. Next, I have the blush tomato, and this one I have 10 seeds. Let me see how many seeds I have for the blueberries. Is 10, the black Krim is 25, and the black cherry is 25. So y'all, those seeds, the packets, the varieties that I have 20 or less seeds, I have to be real careful with them because I have a limited amount to get it right. I have the Boxcar Willie tomato, Dr. White's yellow tomato, and I'm real interested in exploring the yellow. So of course the deep reds and the purples and stuff, but also the yellows and the whites. I want to experience those tomatoes as well. I have the Napoli tomato. This is a good paste tomato. It's a determinate. It is renowned for its exceptional taste and versatility. I have the orange currant tomato, and this is an indeterminate. I don't mind indeterminate because of the climate that I'm in. So it's okay for me to be growing tomatoes near year round. I don't mind, y'all. I have the classic Roma tomato, and I just bought some of those from the store. So I went to Sprouts, which is like a local health food store. Not really local because I see Sprouts in other states now, but to me, I consider it maybe a small chain. To me, it's closer to mom and pops than it is to major chain like Whole Foods and stuff, but it's kind of like a more affordable Whole Foods. But y'all, them prices getting up there. But I bought some Roma tomatoes, and you see how rich and deep this color is. Y'all, the ones I bought from the store is not, the color is not that rich. It looked like somebody put them in a washing machine with some bleach. I have the 10 Fingers of Naples tomato. And then I have the Tommy Toe. That wraps it up for this order. This is order number 3 from MIGardener of the annual seed sale. I am going to double check my list. Y'all know I'm going to go back and double check my list. Make sure that I have everything. I have 2 quantities of the black cherry tomato and the blueberry tomato. Everything else is quantity 1. I'm going to verify all of this. I'm going to leave these in alphabetical order where they are. But y'all, I might take a picture and include it in here of the seeds on the floor. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all I have for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Click that notifications bell. Like, comment, and share with everyone you know. And until next time, be safe, be well, and be blessed.